Hello dear friends, I'm Simon, your old friend from China Xingyi Machines. Thanks for your attention, best regards and big success to everyone. Do you know why we are here for Live Again? As for Xingyi's old friends, you may know that every June is our Dustfree month. This is the biggest event of our business and is also one of the biggest events for the floor labels around the world. We know that our flooring labels are exposed in the dust during working. They are doing the most tough and heavy workloads while suffering the big risk of health. 6 years ago, our boss had a trip to Europe where he saw that every project is dustless because of the high efficiency industrial vacuum cleaners. So during the World Environment Day in the year of 2018, Mr. Ye set every June as our dust-free month, which advocates a healthy working environment and rewards our clients. We are insisting on this pursuit for 6 years now. More and more clients are joining us and they be more responsible for their own health. So during this year, we have some benefits for you. Look at machines back at me. Buy the grinder and get the vacuum free, enabling more clients to get rid of the dust and pneumoconiances. Here are the two machines that can help us. First of all, are you tired of manual push and pull grinding machines? Okay, this propelled grinder can help us. This grinding machine, the model name is our GX688. One grinding machine is around 200 kilograms to 700 kilograms, so it's very heavy for us to push or pull it. But how to avoid this? This propelled grinder GX688 is 456 kilograms. With the self-driving system, it's a heavy-duty and self-propelled grinder. With the self-driving system, we can operate it very easily. So during working, just switch this button, forward and backward button. So then the machine will go forward and go backward automatically. It's very convenient for us. What's more important, we can set up the working speed. So the grinding machine can go forward or backward at a consistent speed. That's the most important measurements to make the uniform grinding and polishing effect. We can make a comparison. If we have two workers, one is using the manual push machines, and then another one is using a machine like this, support grinding machines. So after 1 day's work, the first worker may complain a lot because he has no energy or mind to do other things after 1 day's work. But the second operator will be more devoted to the boss, to me, because his work, his job is much more easy than others. Now we will do a test. Yes, look what my colleagues are doing. The machine can take two adults to go forward together. Now I want to join together. Let's see what will happen. Wow, it's very powerful. 3 people to go forward together. As you know, there are many parking lots and for the slope, so for the entrance. So this machine can work on the entrance slope very easily. Okay, the second, for a grinding machine, what's the most important? Are you worried about the grinding efficiency of a machine? So this machine can help us. This is a perfect grinding machine. Look at the working wise, 660 millimeter, and the integrity gate gearbox design, and the automatic brace wheel, so it can be lubricating automatically. And this is our 5 gears patent design. So we can check here the biggest defrosting and the counter-rotating system, so it's very efficient for the rough grinding. We have made one legendary for this machine. That's 4 years ago, 282 sets of this machine were sold within 1 day. That's really amazing. So this lower failure rate and high grinding for the pressure is another grinding efficiency. The machine is 450 kilograms and the maximum grinding pressure is 219 kilograms. So So we can do the rough grinding very efficiently. If we want to remove epoxy coatings, quick grinding or surface preparation, this machine will be a great choice. Anyway, for polishing, it's also good. For the squared grinding machine, it can work more close to the corners, and there is no one-side torque force because the counter-rotating system. Compared with the planetary system, the grinder will go to one side after a long distance. But the counter-rotating machine, because every two discs are at a different direction, so the machine can go strictly. And the big disc crossing, there is no gap here after grinding. In a word, low failure rate and super grinding pressure. This can ensure our working efficiency. There are many small details of these superb grinding machines. After my long time introduce, there are many small details of these grinding machines. We can introduce for you later, one by one. Now, do you still remember the first benefit we bring for you? What we prepared is more than just a grinding machine. Buy the grinder and get a vacuum free during this month. So let's introduce another row of today. Yes, this is our industrial vacuum, another row for today. The model name is V3. V is vacuum. 3 means that it has 3 independent motors. So this size, this vacuum is match for the grinder size below 680 millimeters. And the first measurement of a vacuum cleaner is the airflow. For this vacuum cleaner, the airflow is 530 cubic meter per hour or 225 CFM. This is big enough, and it can be 110 or 220 voltage. So no worry about the voltage. It's suitable for the residential jobs or industrial jobs. The second measurement of industrial cleaner is 15. This is the first 15, and here is the second level 15. So for the first 15, we have a filter inside HEPA. This barrel can collect the 80 to 90% of the dust, big dust. By this continuous bag, it's very environment-friendly design. We can replace the bag quickly, so it can save our time and we have time to do other things. And here is the second level filters. We have 3 filters here inside. It can collect more smaller dust by here, so we can decide by ourselves. But as I told in the previous, there are 3 motors in this vacuum. For the big grinders, when we are doing rough grinding, we can use all the 3 motors. For if we connect to the small hand grinder or small grinding machines, then we can use 1 or 2. This depends on the real case. The third measurement of vacuum is the cleaning system. This vacuum is redesigned by the air pulse. During working, we can stop here, and then after several seconds, we can open the top cover here. So the new air will go inside, and because of the different air pressure, so the filters will be better cleaned. And this clean way is more efficient and better than most industrial vacuum cleaners in the market. The fourth measurement of industrial vacuum cleaner is transportation. This cleaner is big enough because of the barrel and the second filter, so some people may say it's very difficult to transport. The total weight is around 82 kilograms, but 2 adults can lift it to the truck easily. Yes, let's try. It's very easy, and because of the big wheels and the universal wheels, so we can transport the vacuum cleaner to the truck or to the job site very easy. After my long time introduce, are you excited about the grinding machine and the industrial vacuum cleaner? If you want to enlarge your flooring business, please, Xingyi is your best choice. If you want to overtake other floor contractors in your country, June is the best time. Buy a grinder and get a vacuum cleaner free. Now is the right time. We are always there for your service with 5 direct branches and 39 distributors around the world. You can trust us, and the machines will reward you by your today's choice. Thank you again for your time and attention. Our big event is in full swing. Free spraying is not expensive. Please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.